Timbog ang isang lalaking may warrant of arrest sa kasong may kaugnay sa ilegal na droga matapos ang ikinasang manhunt operation ng mga operatiba sa Candelaria, Quezon. Magbabalita dyan si Police Corporal Antoinette Miranda.
Huli ang isang individual na may warrant of arrest sa ikinasang manhunt operation ng Special Operations Unit 4A PNP-DEG. Sa pamumuno ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Junicio D. Bonoy, SOU Commander, kasamang Candelaria Municipal Police Station, sa Barangay Bukal Sur, Candelaria, Quezon, alas 5 ng hapon, noong June 25, 2024.
First of all, personnel of SOU 4A gathered copies of warrants on RA 9165 to court since the e-warrant system as of now is still unserviceable. Upon securing the said warrant, personnel of this office proceeded to the last known address, and upon discreet inquiry and close coordination with the LGUs, we found out that the person is still residing on the given address. On June 25, 2024, police operatives of PNP-DEG SOU-4A in coordination with the Candelaria MPS had successfully implemented the warrant of arrest against the arrested person. Was properly apprised of his constitutional rights in the dialect that he fully understood, while alternative recording device was utilized during the arrest.
Sa bisa ng warrant of arrest na inisyu ni Honorable Judge Maricel M. Magpantay ng RTC Branch 58 ng Lucena City, huli ang 33 anyos na lalaki para sa kasong paglabag na Republic Act 9165 o ang Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. Ang naarestong suspect ay nabasahan ng kanyang karapatan sa wikang kanyang naiintindihan at ito ay pansamantalang nakakulong sa detention facility ng PNP-DEG SOU-4A habang hinihintay ang commitment order mula sa korte.
As of now, return warrant was already submitted to the issuing court. Likewise, commitment orders was issued by the court, and the arrested person was already turned over to BGMP Candelaria for his service of sentence.
Sa pamamagitan ng mahusay na koordinasyon at pagtutulungan ng mga kaukulang ahensya, nagawa ng maisakatuparan ang kanilang misyon na protektahan ng publiko laban sa mapanganib na droga.
Sa mga nais magsumbong, maaari kayong mag-text o tumawag sa numerong nasa inyong screen. Dahil dito sa Bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka! Mula sa tanggapan ng PNP Drug Enforcement Group, ako ang inyong PNN Correspondent, Police Corporal Antoinette D. Miranda. Alagad na batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.